Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to Construction Zone. Today we're going to talk about how to install a mini blind. This one's made by Hampton Bay. It's a Home Depot product. It's a vinyl mini blind with 1-inch blades. Part number is 1002-083-200. This is a cordless mini blind. They did some research and found out that children were hanging themselves or getting tangled up in the old school mini blinds with the cord, the cable cord. So if you have children, this is a really good option. So what we're going to do is go ahead and unbox this and talk about how it's installed. All the hardware comes with this guy. Here's the mini blind itself. And the hardware box is in it too. So this baby comes with 2 brackets. I'll try to show you guys this. So it's a clip-in style bracket. What you do is you install this up here on the window frame using 2 screws, one here on each end. And what you do is you take the mini blind and you clip it into the bracket, and that's how it's secured to the window frame. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys how to do that. First things first, we're going to prepare the mini blind. We're going to install the plastic pieces on each end. There are big caps that look like this. They go on each end. One here, and they just clip in. And one on this end. And then there are 2 smaller pieces, end clips, that go on the bottom portion of it. One here, and one here. And they just clip in. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to remove the rod. This guy is responsible for opening and closing the louvers. We're going to set these guys aside, and we're going to install our brackets. Alright, now as you can see here, the bracket has a clip portion and sort of a tailed portion here. You'll see it says top, so be sure to install the bracket in the top position just like that with the clip pointing down. Just like that. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our mini blind and we're going to identify this hole. This hole here needs to be on the, this mini blind needs to be installed with this hole pointed inwards to the house, so on your side. So the way I'm going to install it is like this, hole pointed towards me, not like this, hole pointed out towards the outside of the house. So we're going to flip it around and install it like this because our rod is going to be on the inside of the house, and that's what we're going to use to open and close the louvers. So the mini blind just clicked into the brackets. You'll hear a click click. And then this guy, the rod, clicks into the assembly. Then you pour down. Just like so. Open, close, and then retract. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.